What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called Ethereum. Yes, guys, it has taken a slight dip in value, just about 7% in value, making it $1,111. So as you can see, consistent dips throughout the day, but again, it's not a major drop, it's very minimal. So that's what we're going to be going through, looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to go back up to about 1.2 1.3k over the next couple of days, weeks, months? And overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low can Ethereum go, and looking at, is it time to buy? Should you wait for it to drop further? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to the crypto? And looking at its long-term prediction and covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But as usual, before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So in the last hour itself, managed to drop just about 0.5%. Over the last day, 7%. Over the week, equal, guys. As you can see, it looks like it's gone all the way up to around 1.2, nearly 1.3k, and then right now dropping back down. So for half the week it was pumping, and for the other half, which was the last half, it was quite dropping in value. And over the month, however, it is down a massive 38%, guys. It was worth around 2k on late May, and right now we're in late June. It has had a major drop, losing over a third of its value within 4 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 15% in the last 24 hours, making it $15.3 billion in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ethereum. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and especially that it's dipping in value. We're going to be seeing a lot of people investing into it. As you can see, 87% buy against 13% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And yes, guys, we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart here, which is currently valuing Ethereum at 1176. However, it is trading at slightly lower value at 1111, meaning it is not performing too well and much lower than expected. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart. What I'm going to do is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart here. We've got the blue line and the orange line going slightly bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected over the coming hours. So potentially towards the end of the week today, early hours of tomorrow, we should be expecting this crypto to slightly gain in value. But again, guys, no major increases are expected. It's going to be very minimal. Dips are always part of the process as well. And guys, as usual, dips and peaks is going to be up and down all over the place. But again, as you can see here, it's currently trading at 1111, but I'm expecting it to slightly increase in value, potentially hitting about 1.2k towards, let's say, over the next 8 to 12 hours, and then potentially dropping back down in value to around the $1,100 mark, or even lower than that, over towards, let's say, over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of weeks, sorry, not weeks, next couple of days, what can we see here? We kind of got a mixed signal. We've got the blue line, yes, is looking bullish, going in a positive direction. However, the orange line is looking bearish, going towards a negative trend, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should expect it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range. It's going to be quite volatile, up and down, just like how the crypto market has been performing over the last week or two, and right now as well has been quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so fluctuating between 1.1k to 1150 over the coming days and weeks as well. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more positive. We've got both the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction. So an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about mid-August to late August, we should expect an overall increase in value on Ethereum. And again, guys, there's not a major increase or a major bull run that's going to take place. Nothing is obviously planned, otherwise we would all be buying into it. But minimal increases in value are expected over the long run. So over the coming weeks, hopefully we should see an overall increase in value. However, we've still got a good 7-8 weeks left for that time, and anything can happen between that time, guys. We can see Bitcoin going up to 30-35k, or we can see it drop to 10-15k. So what I've done for you guys is put a Telegram group chat together where I'll show you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, on what to expect, what price target is likely to hit that specific day, and is it moving in a bullish or bearish direction. If you guys want to get involved, the link to that, my subscription, is in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, and after that it will increase to $29.99. So what does this subscription exactly include? So you're going to get put into 2 group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and looking at obviously daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, sometimes even twice a day depending on how volatile the crypto market is. But for now, obviously this is just a screenshot about 4 weeks ago when Bitcoin was trading at 29k, and I'll give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Ethereum. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring up the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see here, guys, as I mentioned in my previous video, it's likely us to hit, go towards this resistance target and drop back down in value, and more or less that's what's happened. As you can see, it went very close to its resistance target. It hit about 1.1255 and its resistance target is 1,300. So yeah, it went very close to it and then dropped back down. So I'm expecting it to again potentially over the next 2 weeks head back into the green zone and resist from its target and then drop back down in value. These are my predictions as of right now, but again, there may be a point where we just straight away break out into the green zone and hit about 1.6k if the market is bullish and Bitcoin decides to pump up in value, so on and so on. But at the moment, looks like we are going to be fluctuating at the current price range with very minimal dips and peaks in between. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Ethereum, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are on Ethereum. How high and how low do you guys predict this crypto to go in 2022? I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and all of that stuff, guys. And a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So thank you for that, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.